Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you discuss with you GameStick Pro Retro Console. So, you might be wondering what is the GameStick Pro console that you may be hearing right now. So, the GameStick Pro is a plug-and-play retro gaming console that connects directly to a TV through HDMI. Now, according to the official website, it comes with two wireless controllers and a built-in library advertises as containing around 20,000 classic games. The listed systems include like Nintendo, Super Nintendo, Game Boy Advance, Sega Genesis, Sega Game Gear, and a lot more. Now, the device does not require Wi Fi or Bluetooth according to them, so if you're wondering about it, and games are stored on a device, on the actual device, so there is no need to download games or maintain an internet connection to play. The manufacturer here also says that the save can and load game it can save and load game progress through an in-game menu. Now, how to exactly use the GameStick Pro here? Now, according to them, to use it, you first need to connect the stick to your HDMI port or TV's HDMI port here and plug the included USB cable into a power source. Then select the corresponding HDMI input on your television, insert the wireless receiver into the game stick, and turn on the controllers. And use the on-screen menu to select a game. The included controllers require a AAA or two AAA batteries each, with which are not included. So you may want to buy those separately. Now, the official website lists the GameStick Pro at a price of around $55 for one, but you do get some form of discount by buying two, so that's around $99 for getting buying two products of this GameStick Pro. So, in this case, the official website also has or includes like two controllers, as you can see right now, and a USB charging cable, wireless receiver, HDMI extension adapter, GameStick Pro, or the actual GameStick Pro, and the manual in the package. So these are the full things that you may be getting on the actual product itself. Although the product page currently shows it sold out as of this moment, so you may want to visit it in another time if you really want to buy it as of this moment. So, in simple terms, the GameStick Pro is a small HDMI retro console with a large collection of built-in classic games and wireless controllers, designed for quick gaming without an internet connection or a complicated setup. So, in this case, if you are interested with this product here, checking or researching on your own or checking reviews outside of your website, outside of the website or information outside the website from sources or review sources or review platforms is highly recommended. Now, this is to help you make an informed purchasing decision and just to make sure that you are getting the best out of your money. But that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.